Hi and welcome to Evie Kitchen with a new shirt. Today we're going to look at our smaller oven, which is the electric oven. We're going to look at how to operate it and then also how to clean it out. And by the way, we mustn't forget, okay? You must subscribe to our video channel. We really love making these videos for you. And don't forget, if you subscribe, you won't get anything special. It's like anything else. Everything in the kitchen is very, very simple and easy to use. All we have to do is we just go to the wall and first of all we turn the oven on. There's two switches on the oven. The first one is for the gas oven and the top one is for the electric oven. All you simply do is turn the electric oven on. Once we've turned on the oven at the wall, what we have to do is remember we must turn on the exhaust fan, and the exhaust fan is situated next to the dishwasher. All we simply do is just press the button and you can hear the fan going on. Now, I'm actually going to turn the fan off so that it does not interfere with our cooking program, but you must leave it on. So we have to pretend that the fan is on. No more pretending for the rest of the things though. If we have a look at our dials, what we'll see is once we've turned the oven on, there's only this one little red light. Okay. If we push that in, you'll hear this massive beep, and then you know that the oven is on and working. We set the temperature on this dial. Okay, you can either go up or down. It will always start at 150, and you can turn it the other way. Okay, and then down here what we have is our light and our timer. The oven won't cook anything unless the timer is on. So to turn the timer on, we just go to 1 minute, or we go increments of single minutes and go up to as many minutes as we want. So now we've got it set for 60 minutes. We can have the light on if we want. That's our light button now. And now what we're waiting for is for the oven to warm up. The oven door opens and closes with this arm in place here. Apart from that, there's not much else to operating the oven. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wait for our oven to warm up so that we can put our food in. So all we simply do is we're going to wait probably about 5-6 minutes. So we'll see in about 5-6 minutes. Okay, I think our 6 minutes is up. Took roughly 6 minutes for that to happen. All we simply do now is we're simply just going to put our food in. We open the door. If we are only using a single tray, it should sit smack in the middle. We slide that in and close it, and now we have this countdown taking place. Okay, the countdown starts when we push the start button, and when you see that little red light flashing next to the minutes, you know that it's actually counting down, and it will make a racket when it's ready. Now we're going to wait for it to cook for 60 minutes. Okay, that's to start counting it down. Now we're going to use a bit of Evie magic and see in about 60 minutes. Voila, magic again. Amazing, isn't it? We're down to 40 seconds. And as we're counting down, we can see inside the oven if the food is ready or not. Okay? Well, I think the food is ready. So once we think that the food is ready, we can either open the door now or we can wait for the beep to go off. How about we just wait for the beep to go off? We've got 15. We're down to take off 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I was too fast for it. Oh no! It will keep beeping until you come and open the door. Once you open the door, the beeping will stop and our food is cooked. We simply take out the cooked food and that's it. Okay, so once we finish cooking, okay, all we simply do is we're going to turn the oven off. To turn the oven off, we just turn it off at the wall, just the same way we turned it on. Unlike the gas oven, okay, we don't have a countdown procedure or a shutdown procedure. We just turn it off at the wall. What you got to remember though is that we normally don't show you these bits and pieces. So now we're going to do some behind the scenes look. Cameras, lights, action, dirty bench, garbage everywhere, but that's how we turn it off. Well, it's been another hectic 2.5 hours of video taking to bring you this 30-second production. And listen, even though we did this at the top of the video, let's do it again. Don't forget to subscribe right here okay, because we want you to subscribe. No other reason, we want you to subscribe. And don't forget, don't leave the kitchen the way you found it. Leave it the way you'd like to find it. Thank you and have a great day.